Alright, so may nakita akong thumbnail ni Miss O about SB19 na nagsabing may nagparinig daw sa SB19 na gaya-gaya daw ang SB19. Okay, so tingnan natin kung bakit gaya-gaya, kung kanino nang gaya. Excuse me. Kung kanino nang gaya ang SB19 at kung bakit nainis sila at kung sino yung nagparinig. Tingnan natin.
SB19 casually drops hard facts matapos may magparinig. With all the excitement surrounding the upcoming release of Wakas at Simula album this March 27, in which a teaser was released revolving around the universe, the stars, and heavenly bodies, may isang aso ng kapitbahay na
God damn, what the fuck? Shoutouts to Miss O, man. I love you, girl. Ma'am. May isang aso ng kapitbahay which is yung brooms, yung tinutukoy niya, yung mga medyo masasama na ugali na blooms. As hindi naman lahat masama ugali. Most of these fans are good. Are nice people. Meron lang talagang iba na masama ugali talaga. Aso yung tawag ni Miss O sa nilo. Aso ng kapitbahay. Tapos ang sabi niya, gaya-gaya concept ang puta. Beanie paved the way. Sa panaginip mo. Ano ba to? May blue bud siya, god damn. Beanie paved the way. I mean, kung totoo yan, edi okay lang sana sa akin yan. But that's not the truth. God damn, that's a lie, right? 'Di ba? Hindi ko sasabihin na ano, 'di ba? Hindi ko babash yan porket dahil lang sa sinabi niya na butthurt ako. Hindi, pero hindi kasi totoo eh. Kasi parang rage bait siya. Kaso parang pinapaniwalaan ni Hero yung katangahan niya. And that's not good. Baka akala ng iba totoo eh, no? Masama yan ni Hero. That's not good ni Hero. Okay. Tinawag ka tuloy aso. Tahol ka nga. Isa.
aso ng kapitbahay na nakawala at sabi pa ay gaya-gaya ng concept. Etong mga pictures na ito ang pinagbabasehan niya. Imagine
Kasi Beanieverse. Ang cute. Di ba ito yung ano nila, parang concert na Beanieverse. Di matagal na kasing may concept yung SB19, guys. Sa mga ano dyan, sa mga blooms, meron na concept. Alam nyo naman na yan. I-search nyo na lang yung sa What, yung sa bintana ni Justin, nandun yung mga universe. Mahilig talaga experience universe. Hindi namin ginaya yan dyan. I mean, good for Beanie. Meron naman talaga silang Beanieverse, pero hindi eh. That's not the case. Meron ng reference yung SB19 dyan.
na ito ang pinagbabasehan niya. Imagine comparing pictures versus a whole concept. Nakakatawa lamang sa sobrang pagkababaw.
Yeah, totoo. Very good point by Miss O, by the way. You cannot compare just yung parang title lang, yung parang Beanieverse, and that's it. Wala namang reflection yon sa mga kanta nila. Hindi naman siya based doon, or hindi naman based yung Beanie. Hindi nga yung SB19 nga, parang concept heavy pa sila when you see the music videos like Damn, What, di ba makikita mo dun yung parang may universe and all. Kaya nagre-reflect talaga to dun sa, I don't wanna be mean to these people, man. Out of nowhere in 9 a.m. morning. Baka kasi yung iba, hindi nila alam, kaya I have to educate them. Trying not to be rude early in the morning. Pero hindi yan ginaya ng SB19 kasi dati pa, yung SB19, very heavy na ang pagko-conceptualize nila ng mga solar system, heavenly bodies, mga alien, mga ganon. Yan yung mga naiisip nila.
Pero ang ganda din ng timing ng post na ito from SB19 na may caption pang 5 years in the making. Now we all know our boys have no time for petty comments from pathetic dogs, but we are...
Oh man, what the fuck? Miss O is a gangster, man. From pathetic dogs. Damn! That's what I like about Miss O. Tita-tita lang si Miss O, pero punyeta, papa lang, agad eh. We don't have the time for pathetic dogs. Sipin mo tinawag kang aso. Aso na nakawala. Hindi ka pa naka-cage, hindi ka pa nakatali, nakawala. Meaning, gigil na gigil ka mga gat kasi nakawala ka. God damn. Itali niyo yung aso. Ginagalit niyo ginagalit niyo si Miss O. What the heck? Man, I know some intelligent Beanie fans. Madami akong nakita mga professional, no? And I know that they know that SB19 paved the way. And they respect SB19. Ito na talagang iba. Meron na talagang iba na lutang sa kamangmangan. At hindi maganda yun. You have to educate yourself before having an opinion na talagang na talagang nang babash eh. Sabi niya, hindi, Beanie paved the way. Hindi maganda. Ano mo na, i-research niyo yan.
Pathetic
Damn.
comments from pathetic dogs, but we are so glad for this trivia. Nag-delete na din ang asong ito matapos kuyugin
God damn. Chill! The fuck, Miss O? Nag-delete na din ang aso na to. Gago, grabe naman to si Miss O. Wait nga, comment ko nga. Comment tayo dito. Aso yarn? Wait ng caps lock. Aso yarn? Ano na? Miss O. Kalma. Na high blood yung si Miss O eh. Mabait lang yung itsura niya eh. Okay.
ng 18. Glad for this trivia. Nag-delete na din ang asong ito matapos kuyugin ng 18.
Pag ganyan pre, pag nang bash ka at nag-ano ka ng hateful comment, huwag mo i-delete. 'Di ba? Huwag mo i-delete. Panindigan mo. Kasi it doesn't look good.
Tapos kuyugin ng 18. Imagine accusing of gaya-gaya for something that has been conceptualized way before the debut of their idols. In fact, in one of Pablo's statements, I started creating simula't wakas back in college
Sabi? May sinabi.
for something that has been conceptualized way before the debut of their idols.
Damn. Na-conceptualize na yung ng SB19 na yon bago pa nag-debut ang Beanie. Yun yung sinasabi ni Miss O. Damn.
In fact, in one of Pablo's statements, I started
creating simula to cast back in college when I was already dreaming of producing albums, but I had to put that dream on hold to focus on work. When I became a member of SB19, that dream came back stronger than ever. I wanted to release an album that tells a story of growth. That's how the trilogy began. Pansin mo, yung ng SB19, yung sa pagtatag, yung exclamation point. Tapos nung last period ba yon? Yung sa ako nito, sa dam? Ano tawag nga? Nahihilo ako kasi tinawag ni natatawa yung isip ko dun sa aso comment eh. Exclamation point, period, tapos ngayon yung parang dash na may, hindi ko alam mo, tawag doon. Everything is conceptualized when SB19 does this shit, man. Tapos dito pa sinabi ni Pablo mismo na nung college pa to. Gumising kayo, pre, what the fuck? Huwag kayong maging stupid. Dahil malilabel kayong aso, that's bad. That's not a good look.
creating simula't wakas back in college when I was already dreaming of producing albums.
Don't start with the stupid shit, man. Pablo is a living genius dito sa mundong ibabaw. Kaya wag niyong ginaganyan, wag niyong minamaliit, wag niyong niyuyurakan yung pangalan ng SB19, lalong-lalo na yung utak ng SB19. Siya yung Emilio Jacinto ng SB19. Utak ba ng katipunan? Huwag niyong bastusin. Don't insult his intelligence. Don't insult my intelligence, 'di ba? Huwag ganon. Masama 'yan, pare. Educate yourself and don't be stupid. 'Di ba? I don't wanna bash Beanie just for it, man, kasi hindi naman sila nagsasabi nun. They know their place. Alam nila 'yan. Problema yung fans nila na iba na mga hangal, hindi lahat yung iba lang na ganitong mga kagaya nagpo-post ng ganyan. Tanga no? Isipin niyo muna, dinadamay niyo yung Beanie. Ang Beanie, di naman sila Wala naman silang beef sa SB19. Kayo yung gumagawa. Yung mga stupid fans nila na sobrang passionate na i-ano yung Bini, i-push eh. Wala namang masama doon. Huwag lang ganito yung mali, wrong info, negative, walang magandang idudulot sa fanbase nyo yan. So dapat kung bloom ka at nakikita mo to, sawayin mo yung hayop na yan. Kasi sinisira niya yung imahe nyo ng fan base nyo na blooms. Sinisira niyang mga ganitong members niyo to. Diba? I have no beef against blooms yung maayos. Kasi madami yan. Kaso madami din hangal eh. Kaya yung talagang nang po-provoke ng walang dahilan. Ay, usually kasi ang 18, hindi naman lahat din. Meron din namang siguro, I don't know, masamang ano ng 18. Pero usually kasi pumapalag lang o nagre-rebat lang karamihan ng mga nagagalit ng 18 sa mga ginagawa ng ano kasi based on my experience sila talaga nag-uumpisa eh. Yung mga yung aso na sinasabi ni Miss O.
But I had to put the dream on hold to focus on work. When I became a member of SB19, that dream came out, the trilogy began. And so, the trilogy started with Pagsibol in 2021,
Right, pagsibol, a question mark. Kasi gonna be pagtatag.
wherein you can see the hint in What's music video. And now that the trilogy
Oh, that's the first song that got me hooked up on SB19. What? That's way back before. Bini is, I don't know kung na-form na ba yung Bini nun, pero I know that they're not freaking famous yet. Because I've watched them when they started. And I've reacted to them, and I actually praised them, and I liked them so much that I said, way before, I said they're gonna go places because they're freaking good. Their songs are good. They dance freaking amazingly and they sing amazingly during their dance practices and their a cappella sessions. I said in one of my reaction videos, if you can find it, that they're gonna go places. They're gonna be big. They only had 200,000 plus subscribers when I reacted to them, and I said all these positive things about them until some fans are very toxic, so I stopped reacting to them. But I predicted all Bini had achieved in this past. Alam ko talaga may potential sila. Pero hindi nila pwedeng sabihin kasi nung time na yun, 200k, hindi sila sikat men eh. Wala pa halos eh. 'Di ba? Pero alam ko may potential talaga. And they did it, man. I'm so happy for them. But the fans should stop, the toxic fans should stop this shit. Because it's not doing any good sa community.
And now that the trilogy is ending, Wakas at Simula is coming, which depicts a new beginning. With SB19, lahat pinag-iisipan, hindi minamadali, bagkus pinaghahandaan ang bawat hakbang. And you can see the result in their songs, music videos, concerts, even in their promotions, schedules, and even outfits, how meticulous, how
Think about this. Their homecoming concert is scheduled. It's gonna be held on April 18. Kung hindi mo alam, kung hindi ka, kung kunwari bloom ka na napadpad dito, let me explain this to you. The homecoming, which is the last concert of this stretch, and or maybe the first concert of the next one, which is the title is Wakas at Simula. The date of the concert is April 18. Di ba alam mo naman na 18 kami? Isipin mo April 18 na, when you put that on numbers, April, di ba, 4, January, February, March, April, 4, oh. O nilagay mo siya as a date sa papel na, kunwari, April 18, 4, di ba, tapos dash 18, 4/18. Di ba, yung concert ng SB19 sa April 18, di ba, 4/18, para sa amin. 4/18, isipin mo naka-conceptualize yun. Hindi yun parang lutang lang na biglang magta-title ng Biniverse out of nowhere. Hindi ko naman sana kasi when we talk about references na parang ina-accuse nyo kami, then I gotta give something in return, right? To preference that. Di ko nga alam saan nila kinuha yung Biniverse eh. parang witty lang siya. I mean, I like the title, Beaniverse. It's actually catchy. Saan galing yung, bakit may universe? Saan galing yun? Sa album ba nila galing yan? Hindi, ayun, I'm not educated enough with that. Maybe somebody can educate kung saan galing yan. Pero, hindi nyo pwedeng sabihin na ginaya namin sa inyo yan. Kasi meron na kaming evidence na dati pa yan. Dati pang na-conceptualize. So, don't do that to us. Kasi hindi lang yan basta kinabit. Kagaya nung kunwari, Biniverse, ginanon lang. Diba? Hindi mo alam kung paano nabuo yun, kung saan kinuha, kung may concept ba, kung may connect ba. Maintindihan ko pa kung yung kanta nila sa Saturn. May title din na Milky Way. O medyo connected sa title. Guess mo ba? Kaya tinawag na Biniverse. O kaya yung setup ng concert, parang solar system, yung concert ng nila. So magigets ko kung bakit Biniverse. Pero ang isa lang ang fact na alam ko na hindi ginaya ng SB19. I may sound defensive because bias ko sila, pero that's the freaking truth right there. Kaya kung naniniwala kang ganon, at same kayo ng mindset ng aso na kumakahol na yon, please wake up. Kasi malalim yung pagkakatulog mo at baka hindi na panaginip yan, baka bangungot na yan. And that's scary.
Educate everything is. And that's what makes SB19 different. They are not just idols, they are artists in every sense of the word.
Right? That's it. What the fuck? 2-minute video, 16 minutes na ano? Chismoso ka, Curbs PH. So kung trip mo yung content na ganito and you're an SB19 fan, you're an 18, why I'm still not subscribed, bruh? Subscribe to the channel. Ginagalit mo ako, birthday ko kahapon, hindi ka nagsusubscribe pa hanggang ngayon. Thank you so much. Subscribe. Maraming salamat. Ingat, Master. Alright?